Dear students, in this unit we will talk about some more derived traits which have been adopted by plants upon their successful colonization to the land. Now, imagine that an organisms which evolve from aquatic environment, they have to move to land. Land has totally different adaptations and different environment. So plants have to devise so many different strategy to successfully colonize the land. Now, when we talk about the structure of plants, mostly it is composed of cell, and cell is mostly composed of cytoplasm. So most of the cytoplasm is actually water. So water is important. It is known as the stuff for life. This important water has to be retained because so many chemical reactions, they cannot take place outside this cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is actually the main site where most of the biochemical reactions, they are successfully takes place. So in order to keep that environment and the liquid or the water inside their cells, and while inhabiting an environment which is dry and very harsh, it has to undergo certain adaptations. Now these adaptations include cuticle, which is a waxy covering of the epidermis. It helps the plant to retain water so that water cannot escape through their body parts which are exposed on the land environment. As well as mycorrhiza, it's a kind of symbiotic relationship which is very important between the land plants and the fungal species. These fungal species helps through this mutualistic relationship help the plants to increase their root surface area to collect nutrients as well as water, and it enhances their surface area of their roots. So this was a very useful adaptations by the plants. And then the synthesis and secretion of secondary compounds that keeps the herbivores or the predators or the parasites away from the plants. Plants are directly exposed to the environment and the animals which can feed on them. So the development of those secondary metabolites which give it a foul smell or a bad taste because of the presence of these metabolites, it helped them successfully evade those plants from the animals as well as parasites. Now, other than this one, the desiccation or drying out, it is the constant danger in the land environment. So the most successful adaptation of these plants was the development of new structure including cuticle, stomata, and other structures which gave these plants advantage when it colonizes new environment, the dry environment, which is the terrestrial environment.